He already knew about the warrant. He'd known for weeks. Today, it finally caught up with him. On November 8, 2024, officers arrived to serve a felony warrant worth $75,000. A second person was in the vehicle. By the end of this stop, she'd be facing her own arrest too.
There's no reason to search the car. I just told him I had a little joint. They have nothing to do with this though. Right. Let me just go and let them go. I can go.
Hang tight. You have cuffs on you? I got cuffs here. Turn around.
But
turn around.
Why is it?
Turn around! You got a dog on? Dog?
There's no reason for none of that. That's the law.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You're a wanted subject in the car. If we want to run a dog, we're going to run a dog.
Why are you guys doing this?
You have a $75,000 warrant that you know about. You already told Darian on the phone that you knew about it. Come on.
The what?
You already told Darian on the phone at the jail that you knew about your warrant. Right?
Yeah, I know that.
I know. So what?
And what do you think I was trying to go do right now?
You weren't going
What my public defender told me to go do.
What? You weren't going to turn yourself in.
No, yes I am. I wasn't going to turn myself in. I was going to take care of it.
Okay.
So this wouldn't happen.
And that's how we're taking care of it. Patrol officer's going to come up and take you to jail on your $75,000
I don't like ugly. Thank you for
what?
Can I come over here?
No, you can't.
Why not? That's my girlfriend. You're pulling me.
You're in custody.
You're hurting me.
You're a felony wanted subject. You're in custody.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Yeah, it's running. Yeah, it's running right there.
Why I don't see that thing? The red thingy.
It's on. Because it's on stealth. See the camera right there? It's on. Don't worry. It's on.
Yeah, hopefully it motherfucking is.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I hope it is.
I hope it is too. I'm not that guy you want to fuck with, okay?
You're being mean.
I'm not being mean. I'm just holding you. You're the one moving around yelling your mouth off.
Why can't I be around my girlfriend? She has
because you are in custody for a warrant, for a felony warrant. You're not talking to anybody.
Yeah, because I forgot. Listen, I have a short-term memory, and I forgot to go to court. That's the
I know. You told Darian that you forgot to go to court. I know.
Yes, and it's not funny. How do you think I feel about that?
Well,
and you're over here laughing in my face.
Well, guess what? When you told Darian you thought you got to go to court, guess what you should have done that day? You went to the police station and turned yourself in.
No, because I'm trying to take care of it another way, so I don't have to go in. There's no reason for you guys to do probable cause, though. You guys should just be able to take me. Huh? How? They don't know I have a warrant. They don't know I have a warrant.
You're selling one. It doesn't matter. You're selling one stuff that's going to run a dog in the car. That's it.
Do you want me to show you a little bit of weed I had in that thing? Why?
Is it on you?
Why?
Is it on you or is it in the car?
No,
I
threw it in the car. Let me just get it. No, because you want to... Why is it... Why is this thing? Why are you hurting me? Why are you hurting me? You're hurting me. You're hurting... He's hurting me. Is your camera on? Is your camera on? Oh, look. Why is this thing on and yours is not?
It's right here. It's on.
No, it's not.
It'll be on in the back seat, too. Yeah.
There's no probable cause. You guys have no probable cause. Listen, I told him I have a joint. I have a joint right there that I threw when I got out.
First, the K9. Under Illinois versus Caballes, a drug sniffing dog during a lawful stop isn't a Fourth Amendment search at all. So when the subject argued there was no probable cause, the dog was never the real issue. He was the issue. A few minutes later, he told officers exactly where the marijuana was. Nobody asked him to say it. He volunteered it, and that one sentence changed the entire legal picture. Under United States versus Ross, disclosing contraband in a vehicle gives officers independent probable cause to search it. His claim that they had no probable cause wasn't just wrong. He'd personally supplied it himself. Here's the twist: none of that should have needed his own words to hold up in court. Miranda versus Arizona requires an advisement of rights before custodial interrogation. No advisement appears on this camera. If this reaches a courtroom, a defense attorney could move to suppress every statement made after he was detained.
No, because I don't.
Get in the car. Sit.
I need my phone too.
Sit.
I need my phone.
If you cooperate, things will change for the better.
Huh?
If you cooperate, maybe things will get
I'm
better.
trying to
You're not
cooperate.
cooperating. I just asked you to sit.
Can I just
asked
speak
you
to
to
somebody
sit.
that's going to cooperate
You're
with
going
me?
to get a resisting charge if you don't sit down, okay? We'll go from there.
Yes. Cooperation is the best, okay? You told me how to join the car. Guess what?
I told you that I wanted to see my girlfriend, and I couldn't even do that.
Put your foot in. Where are your shoes at? In the car or?
They're in the car, and there's only one joint that I wrote, and that's it. Can I
Okay.
just give it to you, and that's it? Please.
Move
You're
your foot.
trying to make this.
Move your foot.
Listen, I'm a single mother, bro.
Okay, move
And
your foot.
I miss my.
Move your foot. Alright, relax, relax.
I need to go to the depot. I need to go to the depot. I'm not running it. No, wait. Wait, take the glasses off of me. Take the glasses off of me. Wait. Take the glasses off of me. I need to go to the depot. I need to go to the depot. I need to go to the depot.
Now you're resisting. Now
I need to go to the depot.
Nope, not with the felony warrant.
I'm mentally stable. I am not mentally stable. I am not
You can
mentally
try that.
stable.
You can try that.
I am not. It's the truth,
You can try
motherfucker.
that.
Yes, it
Try
is.
that.
Yes, I have a whole record. I just got out of detox, and guess what? I still haven't touched no boy.
You can try that.
Yeah. I can try that. I need to go to the pool. I cannot be in this. Please, listen. He put this too tight. I'm not gonna give him. I hate man touching me. You're touching me. You're molesting me. You're molesting me. You're touching me. You're touching me. You know how I feel. My grandpa me. My grandpa me. And you look like a old man. You look like
you so you don't hurt yourself.
you look like my grandpa. You're touching me. I don't want you to touch me. What point you don't understand? You're hurting me. This fucking thing is hurting me. There's no reason for us to be waiting.
Take it right now.
Look, he put this shit too tight. He put this too tight on my arm.
You're fine.
No, listen, I know I need to go to the pool. I'm not mentally stable, bro. I'm not mentally stable, bro.
You stay with him? Okay.
Listen. Can you take these glasses off my face?
No.
Can you take the glasses off my face? Because I can't see nothing. I can't. Listen, I need you to take the glasses off my face. Take him off my face because I can't see you. I can't see you. Can you please take it off? Can you please take it off?
Okay, can you sit inside so you're comfortable? You're making everything worse for yourself. Just slide all the way in.
No, I'm not. You're pushing me out.
Hey, JW.
I know he's fucking fucking take the shit off my arm. And he's still doing it. It's hurting.
Look at the way you're acting.
Can you put him up? Can you put him up here instead of my back? It hurts really bad.
Sorry, not switching it too.
They hurt. How are you gonna tell me? How are you gonna tell me it doesn't hurt? There's no reason to search the car. I just told him I had a little joint.
I don't know what's going on.
He's gonna try to do the most. He's gonna try to do the most.
sure
I'm
he
gonna
said
get in
you
trouble.
to,
I'm a
join the
single
car?
mother. I have full custody of my child. I don't do nothing wrong.
What you need to do is calm down. Take a breath. Cooperate with us. Okay? Because you're making it worse for yourself. Nothing's going to get better. Okay? Okay?
You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
You're hurting yourself.
I need to go to the pool. I'm fucking get off of me. Look what you're doing. Look what you're doing. You got this in camera, right? I hope you do. I hope you fucking do. Let me go. Let go my hair. Let go my hair. I'm so sorry. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? You're hurting me. You're hurting me. No! No! No!
39 years old.
You fucking fuck! Can I speak to a lady? Can I speak to a lady? Can I speak to a lady, please?
The backpack hers?
Please, can I speak to a lady?
See how they do the rest of it.
And we're gonna pick you up, okay?
Hey, marijuana joint right here.
Here we go. If I have a warrant, you guys should just pick me up and let the people that I'm with alone, right? Why the hell does he have to go and search the car and all that? No, just my phone. Put that back.
What?
That's my mama. Put that back. That bag, put it back.
No. Look at yours. It's yours.
Huh?
It's yours.
Okay, so
No, it's not mine. Put it back.
They already said it's yours. So guess what? I'm going to search it.
No.
You already said this joint's yours too.
No, I just told you that John is mine. The John is mine. I don't see. Okay, can I put my shoes on? Can I get this off? Can I get this off? He's looking through everything that I do. That bag is not mine.
You have been nothing but professional since about it.
I know, but he's being nasty. He's being nasty. No, I have a lot to worry about. Why is he like doing that to me? Come on now. The fuck you just did?
Okay.
Yeah, that's me.
That's your bag. And that's your Molly.
That's not Molly. All that shit's fake, and you know that. That's not mine.
Okay.
Fuck, nigga. That.
Meanwhile, Force. 2 separate complaints about tight handcuffs. Neither one gets addressed on camera. Under Graham versus Connor, Force is judged by what a reasonable officer would do in the moment, not hindsight. The physical force itself holds up. The failure to respond to a documented complaint does not. Then there's the language. Profanity insults threats aimed at officers, none of it illegal on its own. Under City of Houston versus Hill, verbal abuse directed at police is protected speech, and officers correctly decline to escalate. The real legal exposure belonged to the second subject, a bag, a substance, 2 people claiming it wasn't theirs. MDMA is a Schedule I controlled substance. When ownership is disputed, courts can still assign constructive possession based on proximity and control. Denying ownership doesn't erase that risk, and moments later her own warrant came back confirmed too. Physically resisting the handcuffs added an obstruction charge on top of a warrant she already couldn't talk her way out of.
Listen, isn't that a thing that they take you to the pool instead of taking you to the jail? Fuck, nigga. Hope your mama dies in a fucking stroke.
You're not making your case better.
I'm not making it better.
Everything you do is making it
He is freaking searching my things without my consent.
okay, then that's a cool.
Daddy, I'm going to jail. Daddy, I'm going to jail. Daddy, go to jail.
The warrant's confirmed.
We have quite a few.
Fuck ass cracker. I hope your mama dies for real if she ain't dead. I hope she dies again and suck my dead grandpa dick too. It's not disrespectful. Like, it's not against the law. Like that.
From
the last detail, going to show me out of the city marina.
What's your first name?
Victor's having for another detail.
Stephanie? Alright, so she wanted me to give the bag to you. The only thing I took out of the bag was her phone, her wallet with the money, which she's going to have, and then her other little wallet with her IDs in it. All of her makeup and
And
everything
his
else.
phone, you're gonna stay with the phone, her phone.
The phone's going with her to the hospital. I mean, wherever she's going, jail. But she's going to jail. So she has a warrant, and then she's going to probably have additional charges for
She's
the...
gonna have court tomorrow.
She'll have to go to first appearance tomorrow for the dope she has in her honor. So. Let me move out. I can move out of the way, and you guys can get going. Hey, let me move up, and I got to field test all this stuff. I'll just do the A form to do it. Okay. Huh?
Officers receive a grade of B. Arrests.
Grading time. Officers AB, lawful arrest, sound search authority. Proportional force docked for the undocumented Miranda gap and the ignored cuff complaints. The male subject AC+, he didn't run, but he evaded a court date for weeks, then talked his way into probable cause. Stephanie AC, her request for a female officer was reasonable. Resisting the handcuffs and her proximity to the MDMA were not. The department AB-, correct procedure overall, but 2 accountability gaps worth fixing before the next stop like this one. 3 lessons. 1, voluntary disclosures aren't harmless. They can waive the exact protection you think you still have. 2, an unrecorded Miranda advisement carries the same legal risk as no advisement at all. 3, physically resisting a lawful arrest has never once improved anyone's legal position. It only adds to it. Let us know in the comments what interaction or legal topic you want broken down next. Thanks for watching.